Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we'll show you how to set up the Crosshair in EasyEDA, which can help you locate components more precisely in both schematic and PCB layouts. First, let's look at Crosshair setting in the schematic. Click Setting in the top menu, then go to Schematic symbol and click General. In the setting window, find the cross cursor option. You can choose large, small, or none. We usually recommend large, so it's easier to see while drawing and adding your schematic. Of course, you can choose small or none depending on your preference. Let's compare the difference between large and small, so you can see it visually. Next, the crosshair in PCB layout is set up similarly. Go to PCB footprint, General, find the cross cursor option, and choose the size you need, large or small or none. Once set, move your mouse in the PCB layout, and you'll see the crosshair follow your cursor very intuitively. By adjusting the crosshair size, you can align components more precisely during design and improve your workflow. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.